Thank you for visiting my visual tour today. If you have questions or would like to schedule an appointment to personally tour property on Lake Wedowee, call Terry Norton at 404-317-5120. We work hard for our clients. Great location of this lake home, near Wedowee, with a fabulous open floor plan with an open kitchen to the family room and great room. The kitchen offers granite countertops and custom oak cabinets with a great eat-in bar. This kitchen is built for cooking and entertaining. There are 2 master suites for you and your guests on the main level. Enjoy the panoramic views of the lake from the great room that can also be used for additional sleeping space if needed. There is a large unfinished basement to add additional living space. There is a nice patio and a screen deck for grilling and hanging out to enjoy the lake life. It is an easy walk to 250 feet of shoreline with year-round water and a nice floating dock with a boat lift and sun deck. Your minutes from Wedowee Marine and the town of Wedowee. Home has many new features and upgrades and has been well maintained.